When I look at this black and white winter, I think I know why Santa Claus is wearing his red outfit. It's because you can see him then. Imagine if he would be wearing this white beard and, black or gray coat. It's the same as wearing camouflage in the summertime. And if he accidentally lies on the ground, you can't see him and can run him over with a tractor when you're pushing snow. But if he wears the red outfit, then it's easy to notice him, when you push snow with a tractor, you see that there is something lying on the ground, and then you can go stop and check and see maybe it's Santa Claus, lying on the road. But probably it's bad news then, because if he's lying on the road, he's probably crashed and he's already dead, so. But then again, he's probably crashed together with all his reindeer, and that's free meat. So, as Latvian saying goes, you never know where you're gonna find something and where you're gonna lose something.